Knoxville, this is Steve Cook, a local resident, wearing my CAK gear. I am a middle school coach, and we have a tournament this evening, championship tournament. Proud of my sixth grade boys who are going to be playing up with the eighth graders in hopes of winning the championship. In any case, I'm here to tell you just a couple of quick stories. These are real life stories happening at this moment as we speak. One, a friend of mine here in the local Knoxville market doing a renovation in South Knox because of his relationships with REIAs and masterminds, was able to find, listen to this, find another $30,000 to $40,000 in profit in a property that he is currently renovating, and he had no clue. And but because of the networking and the relationships, he was able to find it, and not only find it, but find out how to pull it off and extract that extra $30,000 to $40,000. And we're going to be sharing some of the values of being a part of groups of how that comes together. And I'm in the midst of a deal right now as well that I will actually settle on it on Friday. And on Friday, when I pick it up, this is one where I pulled multiple profit centers out of it. And because of relationships in the local market, it'll take me, as long as it takes for me to do the paperwork, maybe 2 or 3 days to extract my profits out of it. But very quickly, I'm going to share with you how I am going to buy something on Friday for $35,000. I'm going to get $35,000 out of a part of it within a few days, and then $400 a month or more for the rest of my life. And that is all coming together here in the next few days. And so, how would you like to have $400 a month for the rest of your life with no debt attached to it whatsoever? No repairs attached to it whatsoever. I will be sharing with you how that whole deal came together, and how networking and knowing the right people will help make that deal happen. But that's going to come down pretty quickly. So for a few hours worth of my time, it'll be about $400 a month forever, and possibly going up. So anyway, I just want to encourage you, be there June 6th. I will be there with my friend Jason Wojo, and we're going to be just sharing with you the power of a REIA, the power of networking, how to make the most of those relationships and surrounding yourself with the right people for success. Anyway, hope to see you there. Have a blessed day.